To mount the Cooper&Hunter outdoor unit wall mounting bracket, you will need a level, a pencil or marker, a measuring tape, a hammer drill, a screwdriver, a box cutter or knife, a wrench, a ratchet, and a hammer. The anchor and screws that come with the Cooper&Hunter outdoor mounting bracket are intended to be used with concrete or brick walls. But this building is made of cinder block, so we will use 3/8 inch lag shields and screws instead. First, place the beam against the wall and use the attached bubble level to make sure it's straight. Make a mark at the center of each hole. Drill a hole on each mark. Insert an anchor into each hole. Realign the beam and insert the screws into the holes. Tighten the screws with a wrench. Unfold each arm and secure reinforcing screws. Use 2 wrenches, or a wrench and a ratchet, to make sure they are secure. Then, install the angle regulators. Measure the distance between the mounting feet on the outdoor unit. Then, make reference marks before sliding the arms onto either side of the mounted beam. Position the arms appropriately and mark the wall through the holes. Move the arms to the side and drill. Place an anchor in each of the holes and slide the arms back in place, making sure that the holes align with the anchors. Secure the arms with the screws. Use a level to make sure each arm is straight and adjust the angle regulators accordingly. tighten the lag screws with a ratchet. Before mounting the outdoor unit, be sure to attach the anti-vibration pads. Secure the unit to the wall mount with the provided screws, nuts, and washers. Your Cooper&Hunter wall mount is now ready for use.